What's going on, Jayco Nation? My name's Mark Lawson. I'm the product director for Jayfeather here at Jayco. And today we're going to give you a walkthrough of our Jayfeather product and touch on all the key features and hit the things that make the Jayfeather different from some of the brands you might see out there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in the front and then we'll work our way from the side and to the rear. So in the front, I want to highlight a couple things. All Jayfeathers are going to come standard with dual 20-pound propane tanks with a cover. And this past year, we actually added an LP gauge, so no guessing about how much propane you have in those tanks. We have a nice little gauge on there to tell you exactly how much propane you have. We're always going to put the nice diamond plate here as well on the front. That's going to help protect your trailer from road debris. And then we do have an optional front cap. So we have that as a standalone option. It's also available in our Premier package. Our two floor plans that have a windshield, so our 24FK, which happens to be this floor plan here, and our 26FK, will actually put a windshield in that front cap, just to give you a nice view there in the front kitchen. So let's move along to the side here and hit a couple features over here. One thing I want to touch on is that all Jayfeather products are going to have the nicer, thicker slam latch baggage doors. We're also going to give you 4 rock solid quick drop jacks. I'm a big fan of these jacks. They go up and down a lot quicker than most manual scissor jacks, but they're also rock solid, which is why we call them the rock solid jack here, because once those jacks are all down and in the right position, this trailer literally will not budge. So you can push on it and you'll see how stable those jacks really are for this trailer. So big fan of those. Of course, all Jayco product are going to come with the industry leading best warranty, the 2+3, 2-year limited warranty and a 3-year structural. All Jayfeathers also come with the Climate Shield package. So what the Climate Shield package does and what it means is that we've actually had all of our Jayfeathers tested in a climate environment with outside temperatures of 0 to 100 degrees to be able to maintain 68 to 72 degrees on the inside of your camper. We also force heat directly into your enclosed underbelly. What Climate Shield does for us is it allows us to talk about the actual functionality of our HVAC system versus talking about different R values and things like that. We've actually tested it and we know how well it actually is going to perform. Azdel, you'll notice we're double-sided Azdel. These are vacuum bonded walls, but we do double-sided Azdel as well. So vacuum bonded, we believe at Jayco, is a superior lamination process versus pinch rolling. And then we take it one step further on Feather and we do double-sided Azdel. So behind your fiberglass here, you'll find Azdel, and then your interior wallboard on the other side of this wall will also have Azdel. Okay, as we work our way over here, you'll notice solid steps. Now, just like this floor plan, whenever we have a secondary entry, we're gonna give you a pull-out aluminum tread steps. What's that nice for is, if you're at a parking lot and you don't have a whole lot of space, sometimes you may not be able to get these solid steps out, but you will be able to get those aluminum steps out. So it's nice to kind of have both when you have a dual entry here. Aluminum rims are going to be standard on all Jayfeather product. Those also do have a lifetime warranty on them. And one other thing to really point out that I'm really proud of that we have on all of our Jayfeather product is standard tire pressure monitoring system. We're really big on safety at Jayco, and to me that's a huge safety feature. You know, all newer vehicles are going to have TPMS. What that does for you is it allows you to be proactive versus reactive. What do I mean by that? When you're driving down the road and you're underinflated or overheating, which is a lot of times how tires blow, that TPMS system is going to send a notification to the app on your phone and say, hey, you're underinflated, you're overheating. It's going to allow you to pull over and be reactive or be proactive versus reactive. So big fan of TPMS. You'll notice a really large awning here. We always try to maximize the size of our awning. We know that's really important because on nice sunny days, you know, your campsite's going to be under the shaded awning, so we're always trying to maximize that size of the awning. And just a few things here on the rear. Standard is always a rear ladder that's rated for 250 pounds. We want you using that ladder because we want you up there checking those seals, maintaining your coach, cleaning your roof. Obviously, if you're not really handy, you don't want to get up there, certainly you can have your local dealership do that for you as well. Now we do have a 2-inch receiver hitch option on the back, so that's optional. It is prepped for it, so if your Feather came without it, just know it's 4 bolts. It can easily be added aftermarket. It's not a tow hitch. It's only rated for 250 pounds, so those are great for things like a bike rack, a cargo rack. And then one more thing here on the rear is that we're standard with rear view camera prep. It doesn't actually come with the camera, but it makes it really easy for you to add a camera aftermarket if you so choose to do. And then one other thing, I mentioned the vacuum bonded walls, and while I'm back here, I'll take the time to hit on the fact that our rear walls are also vacuum bonded laminated as well. And the reason I point that out is there are some brands out there in the marketplace that you'll find that the rear wall actually is just hung fiberglass and is not an actual laminated wall. Same thing with the end walls of slides. We do that as well, so we vacuum bond laminate the end walls of our slides as well. So all the way around the sides, the rear, the ends of the slides, those are all gonna be vacuum bonded laminated. So those are the main features that I wanted to hit on the outside. Let's take the time now to go inside and hit some of the key features. All right, guys, now we're in the inside, so let's get into it. One thing I really want to hit on is our cabinetry that you're going to notice, and it looks really residential. And this is across the board for all Jayco brands. We're always going to give you big pot and pan drawers. You'll notice another one on this particular floor plan over here. But what we've really focused on is eliminating the wide exposed styles between the doors and drawers. We don't want it to look like an RV. We want it to look homey and residential. So I think we've done a really good job with that on Jayfeather product, but really across the board on all Jayco brands. And then also, if you look over here, our InVision Suite of appliances here just looks really residential. One feature that I do like is that you can turn these blue LED lights on and off, but maybe you have kids running around, they accidentally hit the gas, it's gonna turn red and show you, hey, the gas is on. Again, another big safety feature that we talked about earlier. Big fan of this range hood here because it actually has a bright light, and when you turn that vent fan on, it's actually really circulating some air there versus some of the vent fans in the RV industry where you can hardly even hear that fan working. Okay, large refrigerators we know are really important. So we're standard on all Jayfeather product with a 10.7 cubic foot with the bottom freezer. We know we have a lot of customers that really like that freezer being on the bottom versus on the top. Standard fireplaces. So this is going to be a 4700 BTU electric fireplace. That's great, especially if you're at campgrounds and it's the spring or the fall and you don't need to really run your furnace and you're connected to campground power. You can use this to kind of heat the coach up and not burn the propane and cost you money. We're also going to be standard with smart TVs, so you can download apps there. We do have a nice radio with interior speakers. Right above me here is the Coleman Mach Quiet Series. So this is an upgraded air conditioner that you'll find in all Jayfeather products. It's a little quieter, it's a little more efficient. Okay, we can turn around here too, and one thing I really want to point out is our roller shades. So the roller shades just really give you a ton of privacy, but also what we do is we put radiant barrier behind those roller shades, and that's just going to be a little bit of added protection from those UV rays. And then we do give you framing around the window. Again, just really gives you that residential look and feel that we're going for in all Jayfeather products. So now I want to jump into the bathroom, hit a couple features in there, and then we'll work our way into the bedroom after that. Okay, now we're in the bathroom. One thing I want to highlight is that all feathers are going to be standard with a porcelain toilet. Obviously, it's more durable than a plastic toilet. Also, whoever cleans the toilet is going to appreciate the fact that it's porcelain because it's much easier to clean a porcelain toilet versus plastic. We also do always give you a good, nice size medicine cabinet as well. Sometimes you just find a mirror and you don't get that additional storage. I also encourage you, in any Jayco product that you walk through, jump up and down in that shower base, and you're going to notice how sturdy that is. That's because we reinforce all of our shower bases with a plywood base and 2x4 vertical studs. Last thing you want is a soft and spongy shower base over time. And then in all of our showers, you'll also notice we put a skylight in the ceiling there too for some of the folks that are a little taller, need that extra headroom. That skylight's going to be great for you. So you can have a nice comfortable shower. Those are the main things that I wanted to hit in the bathroom. Now let's follow me into the bedroom. We'll hit a couple things from there and then we'll wrap it up. All right guys, now we're in the bedroom. I'm gonna highlight a couple items. One is the quality of our bedroom mattress. You know, a lot of times in RVs, the quality of the mattress is just RV grade. It's not really comfortable, but I encourage you, take the time. If you're looking at a Jayfeather product or any Jayco product, lay down in this mattress. I think you're going to find that this mattress is a lot more comfortable than most RV mattresses out there. Another thing that I encourage you to do when you're looking at the mattress is actually lift that mattress up and look at the base of that bed platform. That's where a lot of our competitors are going to show their sore thumb. That's where you're going to see the OSB, particle board, I like to call beaver puke. You'll notice all Jayco products are going to have plywood below there. And then we're also going to strut that for you as well. What that does is it allows you to utilize the access below your bed without the weight of the bed resting on your back. Okay, and while we're in here, we do need to hit on the fact that all feathers are standard with our Overland Solar 1 package. So that's going to be a 200 watt solar panel and a 30 amp charge controller, and you're also going to be an inverter prep as well. That wiring will be found in our pass-through storage. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. I really hope you found it informative and useful. For any more information on any Jayco product or Jayfeather product, please visit us at jayco.com.